Hello Green Group, I hope you all have had a lovely Easter holiday, enjoyed the sunshine and are ready to start our home learning journey again this week. So this is day one of Read Write Inc for the Green Group, and today we're going to be introducing a new sound. Okay, our new sound that we are introducing today is R. 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 And I have a picture on the back of this card, and it is a picture of a nurse with a purse in her hand, and it looks like she's helping a little teddy. She's bandaged him up. It's a nurse with a purse. Can you say that? Nurse with a purse. Excellent. Miss Brown's got some words here that have the R sound in them. Let's see if we can say the special friend, Fred talk, and then read the word. I'll go first and then your turn. The first word is T-R-N. Turn. Your turn. Excellent. Another word. B-R-N. Burn. Your turn. Burn. Good job. Let's do one last word. H-R-T. Heart. Your turn. Good job. Now, we've got two letters together that make one sound. We've got A and R. And this special friend makes a sound R. I wonder if I can trick you. If I hold the card this way, you're going to say the sound. And if I hold the card this way, you're going to say R. Nurse with a purse. Are we ready? Magnet eyes. Sitting up like readers. Let's go. Oops. Ha, well done. Say, you can't trick me. So, now that we can say the sound, we're going to see if we can read the sound. So we're going to pop that into our speedy sound pack. When you see our new special friend, you're going to point to it and say, oh, there it is. Are we ready? Okay, magnet eyes, boys and girls, let's go. Oh, there it is. What sound is this again? That's right, R. Good job. Oh, well done. Tell your adult that you're super speedy at your sounds. Okay. Now we're moving on to our green words. Now these are words that have our special friend that we're learning in them. So what we're going to do is we're going to spot the special friend, Fred talk, then read the word. Miss Brown will show you one and then you're going to do the rest on your own. Are we ready? Okay. Special friend, R and S. Fred talk, N, R, S. Nurse. Your turn. Special friend, Fred talk. Read the word. Good job. Hurt. Hurt. Special friend, Fred talk. Read the word. Burn. Burn. Special friend, Fred talk. Read the word. Turn. Turn. Last one. Special friend. Oh, that's right. There's two special friends, R and S. Fred talk. Read the word. purse. Speedy reading, boys and girls. Okay. Now we're going to put our reading skills to the test. These are words that we already know because we have learned all these special friends. We should be able to speedy read as many of these words as we can. Are we ready? Magnet eyes on the cards. Let's go. Well done. How did we get on? Super speedy reading, boys and girls. Okay, now we're going on to our, that's right, alien words. Get your alien antennae out. These words are a load of nonsense, but they help us to learn our sound that little bit better. So what we're going to do is we're going to spot the special friends, Fred talk, and then read the word. Are we ready? Miss Bren will do one to show you first of all, and then you're going to do the rest on your own. So our first nonsense word is this one. Our special friend is and I'm going to Fred talk it. Hern. What a load of nonsense. Okay, are you ready to do this on your own? Special friends. Fred talk. Read the word. Perf. A load of nonsense. Special friends. That's right, there's two. We've got this special friend again. Fred talk. Plus. Special friend. Ooh, how many special friends do we have in this nonsense word? That's right, we've got three. We've got ch, and s. Read that word. Churse. Special friend. Two. Sh and Fred talk. Sh. Read the word. Sharp. Last one. Special friend. Fred talk. And read the word. Good job. Okay. Before we go on to what books we're going to be reading this week, I have got our red words. Now these are words that are a bit tricky to sound out because they don't have the same special friends that we learn during Read Write Inc. So what we're going to do is see how speedy we can read these. Miss Bren's going to help you with these ones because she's added in some more. Okay. Go. Good. We should know this one. Put. I've got them all the wrong way around. No. Said. Are. Oops. Thought it was something else. Off. Good. I'm not doing very well at this too. I've. You. Hair. Me. Your. He. We. She. to, all, and want. Want. Well done. You guys have been fantastic. Now, before you go off, I would like you to have a look at what book you are reading this week. Now, remember, you should be doing your speedy sound check as well as your vowels and the sounds that we know already. Then you can quiz yourself on our story green words and our red words that we've just went through just now. We read the book through just once on our day 1 as well. Okay? Well done, boys and girls. See you soon.